Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize watch faces on HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 Pro. Okay, if you want to change the watch face on your device, you gotta simply hold on the main screen. Now we can select what watch face we want to use. Currently, those are all watch faces that are installed on my device. And when it comes to some watch faces, we can also custom them. Let's say that I want to pick this one. You can click on custom and we can change the style. As we keep scrolling down, we can see the requirements, actually only for this one. So maybe let me pick a different, let's say this one. Click on custom and you can, for example, change the color and also select the functions. You just need to tap on that. And let's say that I want to select the SpO2 in here. And it has appeared. Now, if you want to save, simply click in the middle and now you have a different watch face. Of course, we can also download or buy more watch faces in our HUAWEI Health app. To do it, go to devices, select your watch. And in here we have our watch faces. In here we have the suggested ones. If you click on more, you'll go to the shop and in here you can buy and install more watch faces, but be aware that some of them require payment. Actually, I think most of them in this shop require payment. But if you go back and go to my faces, in here you can see those are completely for free, those one right in here. Let's try to add a new one for our device. Let's say maybe this one. You just gotta click on that and now click on install. It will be downloaded and now it will be installed. Also, under each watch face you can see its power level. The lowest is of course 1, so it will consume less battery. And as you take a look, now it has been successfully added and installed on our device. For example, this one with the pet has the power level 2, so it will consume more. Let me show you some other watch faces, how they look and how they present. And just like I'm saying, when it comes to some watch faces, you can customize them a little bit. For example, in here I can change the color and also add the functions. When it comes to this one, oh, in here we gotta scan it, so maybe let's skip that. In here we have nothing, and we can also set our photo as a watch face. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.